Good day, everyone. It is Mr. Nagiri once again. I'm back at it. So, guys, now I'm doing algebraic fractions. All right. So, I hope you are good with factorize now. We are moving to algebraic fractions. Now, let's do a bit of theory or background on this revision. So, it says to us algebraic fractions can be simplified, added, subtracted, multiplied, and divided using the same rules that apply for numerical fractions. Now, we are going to start first with the simplification and the multiplication on this video. I'm probably going to do multiplication only. Then the next videos I'll do where we have addition and subtraction. Now, basic rules. AP divided by AQ, the A's will cancel and we'll be left with this. This is correct. Now, if I'm multiplying fractions, remember 1 over 2 times 3 over 2, the answer will be the numerator will multiply the numerator, the denominator will multiply the denominator. This will be 3 over 4 as the answer. Also with the variables, it goes the same. A times B will be AB, and then X times Y will be XY. The numerator multiplies the numerator, the denominator multiplies the denominator. Then we go to division. Every time we divide fractions, if I have 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2, I don't want to see the sign of division. We always change our division sign to multiplication. So you'll have 3 over 2 times the one that you're dividing. It will swap. The numerator becomes the denominator, the denominator becomes the numerator. Once we're here, the top will multiply the top, the bottom. Numerator with numerator, and the answer will be 6 over 2, which is 3. So every time we see division, we change it to multiplication. Therefore, A times Y, AY, A times B, BX. Good. Now, when we add, let's also go back to grade 8 when we were adding fractions, or grade 9. 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4. Let me make 3 over 2. When your denominators are the same, what do? You keep the denominator and then you add your numerators. This will be 4 over 2, which is, it's 2. But if it's 1 over 2 plus 3 over 4, I cannot add this as 2 plus 4, 1 plus 3. This is not correct. It's not allowed. I need to make my denominators to be the same first. Are we clear? But keep that thought. We'll do more on the adding and the subtraction at a later stage. But just keep in mind that I can add if my denominators is the same. I just add the numerators. Underneath there, they're also doing simplifying algebraic fractions. When simplifying, factorize. We are going to factorize, guys. If you don't know factorize, you are not going to survive pure maths. Factorize, it's the building block. We are going to factorize here. We're going to factorize when we do solve for x. We are always factorizing. So it says the steps are, when simplifying this, you need to factorize the expressions in the numerator, also in the denominator, if possible. You'll see when we do the example. Factors that are common to the numerator and denominator may be cancelled. For example, if I'm having 2x divided by 2y, the 2's can go, I'll have x and y. Also, if I'm having like x, open bracket, x plus 1 over x, this x can go, but you can't cancel the x that is inside with the one outside. No, the ones that are outside. Also this here, you see they cancel that. Just I can't cancel this x or that. I can't do that because of that minus. Are we clear, guys? And then they show you what you cannot do. This is illegal. People do this, but this is illegal. I don't want you to see you doing that. Please, I don't want to see that. Good. Now let's do example number 31. Example number 21, it says simplify the following fractions. We need to simplify. Remember, simplification. What comes into my mind? Can I factorize? We're going to check if we can factorize first. Let's go to number A. Number A, I'm having 6x squared plus 9x over 12x. Guys, at the top there, I have a common factor, which is 3x. If I take it out, I'm left with 6 divided by 3, it's 2. Then I have x plus 9 divided by that, and then the 3 is all, and then divided by 12. That's what I have. Now, 12x again. Now, if one is a numerator, one is a denominator, they can cancel if they're the same. I'm now left with 2x plus 3 divided by 12. But how many 3's? 3 goes into 3 once, into 12 goes 4 times. So the answer here is 2x plus 3 over 4. This becomes your answer. Are we clear? Let's go to number B. Number B, I'm having x squared minus a minus 2 over a squared minus 4. At the top there, I'm having what? A trinomial. Remember, how do we factorize a trinomial? Factors of 2. If this is minus, I'll have signs that are not the same. The bigger number will take the sign of the middle, so this will be minus, this will be plus. So I have a minus 2, a plus 1 over a squared minus 4. This is difference of 2 squares factorized, so it's a minus 2, a plus 2. This and this will cancel. My answer is a plus 1, a plus 2. Can I cancel this 2? Then have 1 over 2 as the answer? No, I cannot do that. That is illegal. So my answer will just be a plus 1 over a plus 2. Let's go to number C. You have that, right? So I'm going to rub this one off so that I do number C. Number C, I'm having 3y cubed minus 3 over 2y squared plus 2y plus 2. I look at the top. Can I factorize this? I have a common factor, so I'll take 3 out. I have this minus 1 over. Underneath, I have a common factor of 2. I have y squared plus y plus 1. Factorize the top. I will have, what is this? Y minus 1. It's difference of cubes. Remember, cubes, if I have y3 minus 1, factorize, this will be y minus 1. Cube root of this, cube root of that is that. And then from there, this is y squared. The last term is always positive. Multiply the 2, change the sign. I'll have that. So I have y squared plus y plus 1 over 2 y squared plus y plus 1. This will cancel that. Are we clear? Then the answer will be 3y minus 1 over 2. That will be number C. Let's go to example number 32. Example number 32. You are having x squared minus 9. Why am I putting that in bracket? Okay, this is what I'm having. At the top here is difference of 2 squares. Here I have a common factor, so let's do that. This is x minus 3, x plus 3. Over here I take x out as a common. I will have 3 minus x. Again, now remember, this bracket doesn't look like any of those brackets. What do? We manipulate, guys, like we did in factorize. I'll have x minus 3, x plus 3. I'll take the minus x out. Everything changes the sign. This minus x becomes positive. This 3 becomes minus. This and this will cancel. The answer would be x plus 3 over negative x. And that will be your answer. Before you go to this massive one, give yourself a test and try. Just come with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Actually, try this exercise before you move to the next example that I'm gonna do. Once you've tried here and you know that you are good, now we can move to this multiplying algebraic fractions. Please go and try that. Pause the video now. Try more of those. Try. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you get it. Good. Let's do this one here. Example 23. I hope ujimile for this one. And then here, the top part here, I'm having a common factor, so I'll take 2 out as a common. So I have x squared minus x minus 2 over the bottom part here. I will take x out as a common as well. Here I will have x squared minus 1 times, this is 1 minus x. Let's keep it like that for now. Guys, if I'm having 2 minus x squared, this is the same as x minus 2 squared. In case you didn't know, but let me show you how we do that. Oh no, not that one. So here I will take minus out as a common. I will have x minus 2 is squared. Right? If it's a squared, this minus automatically will be positive because it's a squared. Then I'll have x minus 2 squared. So hence I'm saying this is the same as x minus 2 squared. Now I have 2. I can factorize this. This is minus 2 and 1. Yes, which is minus 1. So I have x minus 2, x plus 1 over x. I can factorize this. It's x minus 1, x plus 1. Times. Take a negative out there. Then you'll have x plus... x negative 1 over x minus 2 squared. Why did I take this minus out? Because guys, I want this bracket here, the x minus 1a, to be the same as one of the brackets there. So I can cancel if 1 is a numerator. You can cancel a numerator at the top, and then at the bottom it's a denominator. But I can't cancel if they are both numerators or both denominators. For an example, this x minus 1 is a numerator, this one is a denominator. I can cancel that. Also, the x plus 1 is a numerator, this one is a denominator. I can cancel the two, right? Now let's expand this. We could have expanded this. This is the same as x minus 2, x minus 2. And then 1 is a denominator. Yes, and then 1 is a numerator. So I can cancel those two. What am I left with? So I'm having now, what is this? I'm having 2 over x this side times negative 1 over x minus 2. Remember, you can't say you have nothing, you're left with nothing. No, you can be, you're always left with 1 if you don't have, if you've cancelled. Again, at the end, this will then be, remember, 2 times that, this will be negative 2 over, this will be x minus 2. That's what I'm getting as my answer. So you will be done here. Now, let's go to the next example. I hope you also, okay, let me put this on the screen a bit so that, yeah. Good. Now, let's go to example 34. Example 34 now, I'm having simplify the following expressions to a single fraction in its simplest form. Now I'm having what? Division. What did I say to you? Every time you see division, we change it to multiplication. Then as we change to multiplication, the numerator becomes the numerator, and then the numerator becomes the denominator. So on my left, I don't change anything. I'm still having x squared minus 16y squared over 2x squared minus 7xy minus 4y squared times y plus 2x over x3 plus 64y3. Are we clear on that one? Now I can go and do my factorize, right? This at the top, I know the difference of two squares is x minus 4y, then x minus, x plus 4y. Underneath, I'm having a trinomial. Remember, we did this as well. Again, this is a trinomial. I'm having 2x squared minus 7xy minus 4y squared. The 2 will go and multiply there. I'll have x squared minus 7xy minus 8y squared. Factors of 8, it's 8 and 1, 4 and 4. 2 and 4, yes. Now, if it's minus, this will be minus plus. Remember the y. So I'll take this one. Therefore, this bracket will be x minus 8y, then x plus y. Remember, I multiplied by 2, so now I divide everything by 2. This will be x minus 4y, and then 2x plus y. This one will go to the other side. Take those brackets, put them here. I have x minus 4y, and then 2x plus y times. Let me rub this one out. I don't have a common factor there. I'm just having 2x plus y. I can just rewrite it like that. Underneath, I have what? What do I have underneath there? I have a difference of 2 squares. This is x plus 4y. This will be x squared. The last term will be 16y squared plus. Remember, the last term it's always plus on a cube. This will be minus 4xy. Remember, we want a lot of cancellation to happen. This will cancel that. This one will cancel that one. And then this one will cancel that one. So this side I'm having 1 over 1 times 1 over x squared minus 4xy plus 16y squared. At the end, this will give me an answer of 1 over x squared minus 4xy plus 16y squared. That becomes your answer. Now, once you are done and you understand this one, you will now go and try number B of the exercise. Are we clear, guys? Good. Then on the next video, I'll do the adding and subtracting of algebraic fractions. The adding and subtraction, they have a bit of its own things that you'll see. But for now, let's focus on multiplication and division. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Don't just watch. Just press that subscribe button. Danko.